Hey, Seth.
Hey, Mary.
Hey, we're out here today at the South Germantown Recreational Park, also known as the Soccerplex. And we're going to be talking a little bit today about choosing a neighborhood and talking about neighborhood amenities. And as far as amenities goes, this is one of the best amenities that Northern Montgomery County, or Up County as we call it, is known for. If anyone in your family is into sports or cows, but we'll get to that in a minute, the park has amenities for you. There are several soccer fields, including a stadium and a new $1.2 million drainage system. There's also an indoor pool, a splash park, mini golf trails, indoor-outdoor tennis, and the King Barn Museum. Stop by and see what that's about.
So, Mary, what kind of amenities do you think we should be looking for when we're considering purchasing a home?
Well, probably one of the first things you want to think about is transportation. Where are you going? Do you have to go to work? Do you have to commute? Is there public transportation? Is there a highway nearby that you're going to need? And other things to think about are like shopping. Is there a place to get groceries nearby? Are your favorite restaurants around? Is there a little place that, you're going to want to go? And along that same lines, is there recreation areas? Are there parks? Is there, do your kids like basketball? Is there a place for them to shoot hoops? And then, we can talk about, especially think about the schools. There's a great site called greatschools.org where you can go and you can look up all sorts of information on any school that you might be interested in moving near.
That's really good. And one thing you should consider is when you're looking for a place to live is to do your homework, do your research, find out what's around. And if you need help with that, we'd be happy to help you with that research. We've done a lot and we can bring you a lot of information.
And remember,
Call us. We're outstanding in our field.